Most scientists agree that 66 million years ago, an asteroid smashed into Earth near Chicxulub, Mexico, and there's been general agreement that the asteroid impact sent debris skyward, blocking the sun and triggering a years-long global winter, which led to the dinosaurs' demise. In our video, we're diving deep into the aftermath of this cosmic clash. From towering tsunamis to scorching heat, we'll uncover the chaos unleashed by this cataclysmic event. Imagine the Earth trembling as volcanoes erupted, spewing ash and lava into the sky. The aftermath, a chilling long winter, with skies darkened by ash and rain turned into acid. But here's the real mystery. How do we know all this? To know more about what happened after the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs hit the Earth, be with us till the end of the video. Hidden beneath the calm waters of the Gulf of Mexico lies evidence of a colossal event that changed the course of Earth's story. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid streaked through space, heading straight for our planet. When it collided with Earth, it left behind a giant crater, a silent testament to its incredible force. But the impact's effects reached far beyond what the eye could see. In the aftermath of this cosmic collision, scientists stumbled upon a remarkable discovery. They found unusually high levels of iridium, a rare metal on Earth but common in asteroids, scattered in different places. This strange finding gave them a crucial clue about the asteroid's nature and where it came from. Digging into the Earth's layers, researchers uncovered rocks dating back to that time. Examining these rocks, they found traces of asteroid dust, solid proof of the colossal event that happened 66 million years ago. The asteroid's impact was catastrophic. It turned solid rock into molten glass, forming tektites, small glassy remnants of the Earth's encounter with the asteroid. These fiery bits shot into the sky before crashing back down as blazing meteors. The resulting fires ravaged huge areas of land, destroying everything in their path. Across continents, flames scorched the Earth, leaving behind a barren, burnt landscape, a haunting reminder of the asteroid's devastating power. Though ages have passed, the memory of the Chicxulub impact lingers in Earth's history like a ghostly echo. While the visible marks may have softened over time, the memory of the destruction caused by the collision remains deeply ingrained in our planet's memory. Yet, amidst the devastation left in its wake, there's a story of life's resilience waiting to be told. After the disaster, Earth was blanketed in darkness, hidden beneath clouds heavy with sulfur. The sun struggled to pierce through, casting the world into a long, icy winter, a chilling reminder of the catastrophe's aftermath. But even in this darkness, life persisted. Some tough species adapted, surviving the harsh conditions brought by the cosmic collision. As light gradually returned, life stirred once more. Fungi and mold clung to the earth, while ferns bravely pushed through the barren soil. Eventually, forests began to grow again, offering refuge for a new wave of life. Yet, amidst this rebirth, scars from the past remained, a somber reminder of how fragile life can be when faced with cosmic turmoil. The Chicxulub impact stands as a stark lesson in life's vulnerability amidst the vastness of space, a powerful testament to Earth's enduring strength in the face of hardship. As we gaze upon the serene Gulf of Mexico, let's remember the cataclysmic events that reshaped our planet's story, forever changing life as we know it. The journey of this extraordinary comet began when it came close to Jupiter, whose massive pull pushed it toward the Sun. As it got closer to our star, the comet's icy surface started to melt, creating a stunning tail trailing behind it. Eventually, The sun's strong pull tore the comet into pieces, sending bits flying through space. One of these fragments crashed into Earth, changing its fate forever. The aftermath of the Chicxulub impact was devastating. About 75% of life on Earth vanished, casting the planet into darkness and despair. But amidst the chaos, some tough creatures survived. Large sea creatures like crocodiles and turtles managed to live through it, along with smaller land animals, including special types of dinosaurs and the early ancestors of birds. These survivors faced a tough world. The darkness caused by the impact blocked out the sun, leading to a long, cold winter. But as things got brighter again, life started to come back. Fungi and mold stayed alive underground, while ferns slowly grew back, covering the once barren land. Forests began to appear again, providing a home for small creatures seeking shelter from the ash-filled skies. After the dinosaurs disappeared, mammals took over. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals had the chance to thrive. They spread out and changed over time, filling the empty spaces in the ecosystem left by the dinosaurs. The Chicxulub impact changed Earth forever, opening the door for new life to take hold. But we may never fully understand all the ways it affected our planet, leaving us to wonder about the secrets hidden in the depths of time. Fast forward a few million years, and those ancient dinosaurs have undergone significant changes. Enduring icy periods, many dinosaurs now sport feathers to keep warm. While mammals exist, they're not widespread. Bats dwell in caves and small rodents scurry through forests, hiding during the day and searching for food at night. Large mammals like horses and elephants are absent. Why risk being prey for those huge reptiles with sharp teeth? The oceans are devoid of whales, and familiar birds like parrots and hawks are missing. Instead, pterodactyls dominate the skies, ranging from the size of helicopters to that of swans. Primates are abundant, but prefer the safety of trees. In this perilous world, danger lurks at every turn. Open spaces are risky, but so are forests and trees. To avoid becoming someone else's dinner, smaller dinosaurs learn to climb trees for safety and food. This behavior originated in the Cretaceous period, just before a colossal asteroid nearly collided with Earth. Since that near miss, dinosaurs have become more intelligent. Some are as shrewd as modern chickens. However, having a large brain demands a lot of energy, which isn't always the best survival strategy. It's safer to stick with smaller brains and keep evolving those sharp, powerful teeth. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this.